Hello everyone, welcome to Genius channel. We'll continue the max previous year questions. Okay, so see the next question. 94th question. Read the following information and answer the two items that follow. Consider the integrals. I1 is equal to integral 0 to pi x dx by 1 plus sin x. And I2 is equal to integral 0 to pi minus x dx by 1 minus sine pi plus x. What is the value of I1? That is integral 1. We have to get that. What is the value of I1? Sorry. What is the value of I1? Okay, all of you try and comment your answers. Very direct. So let's see how to do. Anybody got the answer? Have you got the answer as option C, pi? Anybody got? See, integral 0 to pi x dx by 1 plus sin x, isn't it? X dx by 1 plus sin x. So this is I1 x dx by 1 plus sin x. Now, can I write this I1 as integral 0 to pi minus x dx by 1 plus sine pi minus x? Can I write like this? Tell me. Yes, I can write, isn't it? Why? Because in the definite integral, we have a rule. Integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So in the place of here a we have pi. So I can write pi minus x, isn't it? Now add both sides. So 2i1 is equal to what you will get? 2i1 is equal to integral 0 to pi. Add these two. X and minus x will go. You only have pi over here. Then in the denominator see sine pi minus x is nothing but sine x, isn't it? Sine pi minus x. That means second quadrant. Their sign is positive, this sine x, isn't it? So you'll get pi by 1 plus sine x dx. Integral 0 to pi by 1 plus sine x dx. Integral 0 to pi by 1 plus sine x dx. Isn't it? Now I'm doing the remaining in the whiteboard. Now I got 2i1 as integral 0 to pi by 1 plus sine x dx, isn't it? Now pi is common here or constant here, sorry, not common, constant. For doing this integration, I am multiplying the numerator and denominator with 1 minus sine x. So in the numerator, if I multiply 1 minus sine x, that is coming here. Denominator 1 plus sine x into 1 minus sine x will become 1 minus sine square x isn't it? 1 minus sine square x dx. So what I did is I just multiplied the numerator and denominator with 1 minus sine x. So okay, 1 minus sine x I just multiplied in the numerator and denominator. Pi I took outside. So this will become pi into integral 0 to pi 1 minus sine x divided by 1 minus sine square x, that is cos square x dx. So that is pi into 1 minus 1 by cos square x is 6 square x. So that is 6 square x minus sin x by cos x will become tan x. 1 by cos x will become sec x. So this will become sec x tan x in the interval. So no, I have not integrated, I just simplified. The integration is still there. 0 to pi dx. So 1 by cos square x I wrote as 6 square x. Sin x by cos x, that is tan x. 1 by cos x, that is sec x. So that is pi into integral of 6 square x is tan x minus sec x tan x. Integral sec x tan x is, what is that? Sec x, isn't it? 0 to pi. So now just put the integral pi into tan pi. What is tan pi? Tan 180 0, isn't it? Minus sec 180 minus 1 minus tan 0 0 minus sec 0. What is sec 0? 1, isn't it? So you'll get 1 plus 1. So here you'll get 2 pi. So I got 2i1 as 2 pi. So I1 is pi. I1 is pi. Just cancel to both sides. You'll get I1 as pi. Go through. If you have any doubts, clarify. See each and every step. Okay. So answer is I1 equal to pi. So coming back to the question paper. So I1 is pi. Option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer, pi. Now do the next part. So that is the second question. See, this is answer is pi. Okay. Now we'll go to the next question. See the next sub question. What is the value of I1 plus I2? What is the value of I1 plus I2? So for that, we need to do I2, isn't it? So we need to do I2. What was I2 given in the question? I1, I2 given in the question. I2 is integral 0 to pi, integral 0 to pi minus x by 1 minus sine pi plus x dx. That is I2. We have to do I2. Then only we can do I1 plus I2. We are discussing 95th question. Okay. 0 to pi minus x. Okay. So shall we apply the same rule here also? What is the rule that we applied in the last question? 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx, isn't it? Integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So apply the same rule over here. So I can write it as integral 0 to pi. In the place of x, you have to put pi minus x. So pi minus pi will go, we will get x 1 minus sine pi plus x. In the place of x, if I put pi minus x, that will become pi minus x. In the place of x, you have to put pi minus x. So this will become sine 2 pi minus x, isn't it? So that is integral 0 to pi. So dx is there. X by sine 2 pi minus x. So which quadrant? 2 pi minus x means fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, sine is negative. So that is 1 plus sine x dx. So that is our first question itself, isn't it? I1. This is our I1. So I2 we got as I1 itself. I2 we got as I1 itself. And I1 we have answer as pi. We have already did in the 94th question, isn't it? So I1 we got as I1 and I2 same. So I1 we have already got as pi. So I1 plus I2 they are asking in the 95th question, isn't it? I1 plus I2 means pi plus pi, 2 pi. So 2 pi is the answer, 95th question. Answer is 2 pi, option A. Option A, 2 pi is the correct answer. Copy down the answer. If you have doubts, please comment. If you get the answer also, please comment. Are you getting the answers? So let's go to the next question. The differential equation which represents the family of curves given by tan y is equal to c into 1 minus e raised to x is. The differential equation which represents the family of curves given by tan y is equal to c into 1 minus e raised to x is. E raised to x tan y dx plus 1 minus e raised to x dy equal to 0. E raised to x tan y dx plus 1 minus e raised to x square y dy by dx equal to 0. E raised to x 1 minus e raised to x dx plus tan y dy equal to 0. E raised to x tan y dy plus 1 minus e raised to x dx is equal to 0. So try solving. So from this, it is clear that you have to take derivative. See, dy by dx, everything is there. So you have to, anyway, you have to take the derivative. Just take the derivative and find out the answer. Comment the answers also. You have got the answer? Okay, I'll show that in whiteboard. So they have given tan y is equal to c into 1 minus e raised to x. Tan y is equal to c into 1 minus e raised to x. So take the derivative. What is the derivative of tan? Sec square, isn't it? So it is sec square y dy by dx. That is equal to c constant. Derivative of 1 is 0 minus e raised to x. Derivative is e raised to x. So that is minus c e raised to x, isn't it? So sec square y dy by dx is equal to minus c. So c I can eliminate, isn't it? C I can eliminate. That means minus e raised to x. C is, from here I can write c as tan y by 1 minus e raised to x. So c I can write as tan y by 1 minus e raised to x. So it is, if I cross multiply, that is, this will become 1 minus e raised to x sec square y dy by dx is equal to minus e raised to x tan y. So if I take this dy here, dx here, dx will come here, will be coming here. So e raised to x tan y dy, so dx, just making this in everything to one side, plus 1 minus e raised to x sec square y dy equal to 0. That is the correct answer. Okay. So this is just taking the derivative on both sides. Option is option D, e raised to x tan y dy by dx plus 1 minus e raised to x dx is equal to 0. Option option B, see, dx. Option B, e raised to x tan y dx plus 1 minus e raised to x sec square y dy equal to 0. Option B is the correct answer. So thank you everyone. See you in the next video.